Apa kabar? Hello everyone, I'm Kirill from Global Gemological Lab in KL. Today I'm going to answer your most frequent questions we usually receive from our customers about the emerald. Every mine produces stones with a different range of quality. So, the fact you receive your stone from a famous mine doesn't prove it's a high quality piece. But in the market, fine quality emeralds with the report of Columbia origin from an independent lab will receive the higher prices. Yes, emeralds could be grown in laboratory. It will have the same chemical and physical properties as a natural stone. The only difference between them is the conditions they grew in. First emeralds were synthesized in 1930s. Hydrothermal synthetic emeralds hit the jewelry market in 1960s. So, the fact you have received your emerald from your grandmother doesn't prove it's natural. To be sure your stone is natural, you should go for a report from an independent gemological lab. Due to the properties of emerald, it's usually fractured to a greater or lesser degree. As such, it's usually enhanced to improve the clarity by reducing the visibility of the fractures. Treaters use different fillers, such as oil, wax, or resin. The amount of filler influences the value. Global Gem distinguishes the amount of filler as none, insignificant, minor, moderate, and significant. As emerald structures are usually filled, special care is required. Don't expose it to the heat and chemicals. To clean your emerald jewelry, do not use ultrasonic and steam cleaners. Use mild soapy water and a toothbrush to wash your stone. For the safest way, use a soft cloth to wipe it. If you have any questions about emeralds or other stones, don't hesitate to contact us on the Facebook or through email. See you on the next video.